Hello and welcome to this video tutorial about media mixing library and timeline and choreography. With this tool you can make a powerful and unique three different type of profiles and adjust because you have access to many different choreography at the same place and time. The profiles can both be made and adjusted for the presentation playlist song into a single song. The total overview for all songs. Also here you access an overview based on your music intensity analysis. And course you can also configure only for this actual intensity, song information when you take the mouse over the song number, various intro, show choreography, courses you have done before, outro and transition. You can as well quickly and easily switch to previous or next song by ticking on the two horizontal arrows over the intensity line. Then you can click anywhere on the line to make a point. You will quickly and directly get to the next chosen. Then you grab the point by holding the left finger on the right side. You can drag the line to a very powerful multimedia library. You have access to 53 animation and 160 images who are free content for you as a starter. The idea here is that you can upload and build up your own and unique multimedia library. When you have made a part or a complete profile, film, then you can red code animation on the intensity blue images to get the big picture. Yellow text green. This will be an important and useful tool for you to understand how much time you and your club member own media file in different sounds. This is a good intensity regulation and a more realistic planning. And you see here time and percent, and we call it totally. Exercise. If I do changes and we save it. Then you can search for this file or directly more files. Course profile. Same here. Take the mouse over the course, the file will be uploaded. And then we can take away the text anywhere on the line and make a point. And we get access to all 160 media files. Point by holding the left finger on the mouse and you can drag the line up and down when you want. However, the mouse over the various media files in the multimedia library itself, they pop up to the left in a larger format so that you get profile is good overview and a better sense of the running and cross-trainer classes. When you have chosen a media file, it's also possible for rowing classes. Not perfect, you just have to left click make different type of ways and the file will automatically be moved to the timeline. Last and a special tool here is the resistant. Another way profile is your left special for cycling and maybe for rowing, running and cross-trainer timeline. You click first on the resistant pillar and a profile line opening for you. As you see it's also possible to delete the actual media file from the library. You can only open the resistant profile inside the complete overview mode right, and not for a single each file. Same system here as for the intensity. You can make your own and unique text with point and drag up and down to make a profile. You click on the plus icon and you get here where you can create your own. Give it a name, snippets, notes, and then you save it. You can see here I made many before. The profile will only be viewed as the red horizontal. It's possible here also to delete this text snippet as you see here. Edit. Existing. More strokes, more resistance. Clicking inside the box again, down on the right side, resistant profile line access to different website where you can buy video, film, images, animations. Then we start playing. Or another media illustration view the results inside your presentation. Don't forget to only buy content with correct license, both for media files and music. So you see here, you can add and build up your library list with your own and see which song we are at the moment here. Let us add some media files. See it here. We are in zone 1. Let's start with the intensity profile. You can see with the cycle icon where we are in the. It's very important to be completely finished with the playlist and music part. And they also have to follow here in the. If not, you will losing all the job you have done inside media mixing. can see, you can left click and drag and place where you want the media file on the timeline. And a time box for duration is opening. Set desired duration and this color length. Just you see, I click to the next song. The media file will then we go to during this song. Intensity song 5. And here we see the color code. You can of course do the same here inside where you go to the single song. You can adjust again. You see also when you drag it to the left and the right, you will see two time counters up to the different sounds. You indicate it where it will start. And you will also see it in the where you set the desired, let me play again, duration. It's also possible to delete the actual media file from the timeline and the presentation. Then we go to jump to sound 2, have an icon here, see where we are in the landscape, and I delete it, or course profile. We have one more unique and special tool called markup. The purpose is that you can get choreography or many alerts. You can see your step or action event different action that shall happen for the actual song. For example, then you again can adjust start and ends. Your 3 different profiles, both the markups and the various media files have a time, for example here, box sitting slow speed 5 seconds before maybe the theme or media file starts, and function therefore as a reminder before you give the cue. For example, stand up and pedal fast. You can also of course add, adjust and adapt your media file content both, and here the time file counts popping up and the choreography. So you open the multimedia, and then we see the media file popping up on the right side. All what you see here is a working area. It will be different when you come to the player part. The idea with the alerts and the countdowning box is not to bring notes on a piece of paper to your classes. Sitting normal speed. So we can click and find all the different type of media file content who are standing slow heavy. For example, this one. The most important pedagogical aspect in viewing is to manage and combine the visual presentation with your verbal spoken instructions. Use visuals to reinforce the technical verbal training information along with creating certain special moods through images, animation, text and film content. Creator and your presentation is just a tool which you as instructor have to use correctly and with care to heighten the quality of your group class. You still makes the difference between live and opposed to virtual group class session.